Hi everybody, it's Angel Shaver, Stampin' Up independent demonstrator from Kansas, and I hope you're watching this during our Facebook Live online launch party for the brand new catalog over at Angel Stamps Live Facebook group. If not, get yourself on over there and join the fun. I'll be popping in with questions, quizzes, games, pictures of new items, fun kind of stuff until Saturday night at 8 p.m. And I still don't have them done, but I am making tabs. I'll put them on the box, so when I put it down, you'll see them. For your catalog, keep it a little more organized so you can immediately find what you want. And if you order this week from my online store using the host code, I will send you a set of catalog tabs with your thank you card. So let me make sure I can see this and see what you're seeing over on my computer. And then I have an unboxing we're going to do first. And then we're going to create a card with products that are in this box. Here we go. Okay, just a little. These are the tabs that I'm working on to be putting in my catalog. I will at least put a picture on later and show you. And here are all the little labels. These images come from Gail Ellis. My team member Dana shared these with me, and we're going to get them on all of these tabs. If when you order, or if you vote on my poll, which is your favorite InColor family group, then I will make your tabs out of those colors. My favorite is Regal, and so I'm going to use the Regal group. Hang on. Let me get that and I'll be right back. Sorry about that. My husband needed to give me a call, but we've got it taken care of now. So I'm going to. Easier for me to open over here on my lap, and then I will be taking things out and putting them right where you can see them. The bubble wrap and packing label. Got myself a label or some wide empty stamp kits. Just trying to put things away that are not that exciting. There they are. now we will get started going through some of these exciting new items. This is the brown foil, and I'm not sure how well you can see it, but this is it. This is what coordinates with the World of Good suite. And this is the Tasteful Textile 3D embossing folder. It goes with the In Good Taste suite. Reminds me of a warm fuzzy blankie. I'm not sure if you can see how great that is, but that'll make any texture, any paper you put in there look like a nice warm fuzzy blankie. Trying to get it back in its envelope. And everything else we have here is from the Flowers for Every Season suite. Two of them are things that are part of shares that I am offering. You can read about my shares on my blog under the tab Product Shares. I'll show you these first. Actually, I'm going to wait because they go with, or they can go with, the other item. These are the Designer Series papers that are part of the Flowers for Every Season set. And in this pack, you get 4 each of the 6x6 designs, and they're double-sided. So I will show you this side, and then we'll flip them all over. And Flowers for Every Season kit covers all 4 seasons. There's spring and summer, fall and winter. There's even Christmas patterns in. So if you want one pack of paper to last you through all the seasons, this might be it. And on this side, we have the Just Jade and Bumblebee and Cinnamon Cider pieces, because these all coordinate with the new InColors. And then on the other side is the Misty Moonlight. I'm trying to get them all out so you can see all of them a little bit. This is harder than it looks. And since there are 4 6x6 pieces of each double-sided pattern paper, when you join the paper share, if you choose the Flowers for Every Season set as one of your choices, you get 1 6x6 of each of these, plus you get 10 pieces of coordinating cardstock. I don't know if you can see them all, but here are some poinsettias. It's definitely Christmas paper, and there's sunflowers and roses and tulips, daisies. They coordinate with a lot of the stamps and dies that are in the current catalog. Also, right now in the month of June, special where you get a bundle for free in addition to the $125 worth of Stampin' Up product of your choice. So you could pick this paper, some inks, cardstock, worth of stuff, and then you could pick one of the bundles where the stamp set and either punch or die coordinates with some of the flowers that are on these papers as well. All right, and then besides the Designer Series paper share, I just dropped everything. I am having a InColor Share. Now, the InColor Share is a little bit different because you sign up for 5 months of a share. And when 5 people have filled a share, that is when you pay your first installment and your share begins. And then each month for 5 months, you get products from the InColors, all from one suite or one color. And one of the things you get are 2 of these Memories and More Flowers for Every Season, no cards, and matching envelopes. Now they match with the Memories and More set, but they don't have to go with the Memories and More set. And there's the envelopes. They're already decorated on the inside. And I'm going to leave these out because next thing I have for you is the Flowers for Every Season Memories and More pack. And this has the larger Memories and More. There's some stickers and labels in here as well. And these are all two-sided. Let's see if I can fan them out. Not so much, but there's one side. I'll just do this really quickly. And then here's the back side. The ones that had nothing are the stickers. And then there's these smaller size cards as well. I'm just going to fan through these. And then flip it over. It says from the heart. Some have sentiments, some do not. Some are flowers, some have a place for you to write a sentiment. But the fronts of these cards are created the right size to be a frame for these smaller Memories and More images. Or if you wanted to use one of the larger Memories and More cards. It will just cover up the frame. Just like that. You don't have the white dots, but it frames the card itself. Has a little bit of the bumblebee color around it. Those are very simple cards. They're also great to use on scrapbook pages. There are pocket pages in the catalog. So that is the Memories and More and the note card and envelope set from the Flowers for Every Season. Grab my scissors.